How are you feeling today?
I'm happy, thank you.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm just tired.
Why are you sad?
I lost my wallet.
I'm so excited.
What happened?
I feel nervous about the test.
Don't worry, you'll do great.
Help. I need a doctor.
Stay calm. I'll call 911.
There's a fire.
Let's get out of here.
I lost my phone.
Where did you last see it?
Can you call the police?
Yes, I'll do it now.
My car broke down.
Do you need a ride?
Where do I check in?
Over there at counter 5.
How many bags can I take?
2 bags are allowed.
What time is the flight?
It's at 8 p.m.
Where is gate 10?
It's to the right.
Can I get a window seat?
Let me check for you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
What are you doing for Christmas?
I'm visiting my family.
Do you celebrate Halloween?
Yes, I love dressing up.
Happy New Year.
Same to you.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Thanksgiving.
I have a headache.
Have you taken any medicine?
My stomach hurts.
Do you need to lie down?
How long will I need to rest?
At least a week.
Should I take this medicine before eating?
Yes, take it before meals.
When should I come back?
In 2 weeks.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I use it every day.
Can you send me an email?
Sure, what's your address?
How do I use this app?
Tap here to open it.
My computer is so slow.
You should restart it.
What's your Wi-Fi password?
It's 12345.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it's so sunny.
How was your weekend?
It was great, thank you.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 5 minutes away.
Are you a student?
Yes, I study at the university.
What do you do for work?
I'm a banker.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I like walking here.
Look at that big tree.
It's so beautiful.
Can we play soccer here?
Yes, there's a field over there.
What's that sound?
It's the birds singing.
Let's sit on the bench.
Good idea.
Do you like this jacket?
Yes, it looks great on you.
What size is this shirt?
It's a medium.
Where did you buy your shoes?
I got them online.
Do you prefer jeans or shorts?
I prefer jeans.
This dress is too expensive.
Let's look for a cheaper one.
What's your goal for this year?
I want to learn English.
Do you have a plan?
Yes, I study every day.
Why do you want to learn English?
To get a better job.
How do you practice speaking?
I talk to my friends in English.
Do you think it's hard?
Sometimes, but it's fun.
How much do you earn?
I earn $500 a week.
Can I borrow some money?
How much do you need?
Is this too expensive?
Yes, it's over my budget.
How much is rent?
It's $700 per month.
Do you play basketball?
Yes, I play on weekends.
Who's your favorite team?
I like the Lakers.
Can you swim?
Yes, I love swimming.
Do you watch soccer?
Yes, every Sunday.
Let's go jogging.
Great idea.
Do you have a room for two?
Yes, we do.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is.
What time is checkout?
At 11 a.m.
Can I have an extra towel?
Of course.
Where is the swimming pool?
It's on the first floor.
Where are you going next?
I'm visiting Italy.
How long will you stay?
For 2 weeks.
What's your favorite city?
I love Tokyo.
Do you like flying?
Yes, it's exciting.
What's in your bag?
Just clothes and books.
What's your favorite TV show?
I like Friends.
Do you like comedies?
Yes, they're so funny.
Can you play the guitar?
A little bit.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I read every night.
Let's go to a concert.
That sounds amazing.
What's wrong with you?
I have a cold.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, thank you.
Do I need to take medicine?
Yes, twice a day.
Can I go home now?
Yes, but take it easy.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
What's your hometown like?
It's small but beautiful.
Is it a busy city?
Yes, it's very crowded.
Do you live near the beach?
Yes, I love the ocean.
What's your favorite place to visit?
I love the mountains.
Is it safe there?
Yes, it's very peaceful.
What time is the party?
It starts at 6 p.m.
What should I bring?
Just bring yourself.
How many people are coming?
About 20.
Is there music?
Yes, we have a DJ.
Can I help with the decorations?
Yes, thank you.
Where do you work?
I work at a bank.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's interesting.
How many hours do you work?
I work 8 hours a day.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't.
Is your job hard?
Sometimes, but I enjoy it.